This video will help you learn how to log out YouTube account on your Android phone. So if you're agitating on how possible it is to sign out of your YouTube account on the official YouTube app on your Android phone, and you couldn't find a way through, and you really need to do this, here is a video you need to watch. So here in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure on how to log out YouTube account on Android phone. If you go to the settings on your YouTube, you will see that there is no logout option. Even under general, there is no option to log out your YouTube account. So this does not mean that you cannot log out a YouTube account. It only means you do not know the best or how to log out of your YouTube account on your Android phone using the official YouTube app. Therefore, in this video, I am going to show you the step-by-step procedure on how to log out YouTube account on your Android phone. So the first thing you need to do, you need to go to your phone settings, tap on apps and notification. Here you have access to all apps on your phone, including recently opened app, depending on the type of phone you are using. So make sure you access all apps and click on YouTube. When you click on YouTube, you have options like open YouTube app, disable and force to stop. But in this case, we are interested in the storage and cache of the YouTube app. Tap storage and cache, or storage as the case may be, depending on the type of phone you are using. So the next thing you need to do is tap on clear cache first, and the next option is tap on clear storage or clear data. In most phones, it is clear data. So tap on clear data or clear storage depending on the setting and configuration of your phone by the manufacturer. So tap on OK from the pop-up. Now you can see we have successfully cleared the YouTube data and YouTube cache. So the next thing you need to do is go to the YouTube app and open it on your phone again. Now tap on your profile icon to the top right. Click on the account option. Then you see the sign out button is now available. Tap on sign out. Here we go, and you'll be successfully logged out of your Facebook account. The next thing you need to do to keep using Facebook, like or to like video, comment, download YouTube video and watch it offline, you need to sign back into your YouTube account. So this is the step-by-step procedure on how to log out YouTube account on Android phone. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.